Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Halifax Mortgage account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar. Now simply type in halifax.co.uk and press enter. After doing that, you'll be led to the official website of Halifax. So if you want to access and manage your mortgage, what you have to do is log in to your Halifax account. For that, click on the sign in option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the login interface. From here you'll be able to log into your account. If you do not have the account yet, over here you'll be able to find the option for register online. Simply click on it and you'll be able to register for your account. But if you already have the account, all you have to do is enter your username and password. Click on the field of username and enter the username over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you want the username to be remembered on this computer, check on this box that you can see right over here. But do not tick this box if you're using a public or shared computer. If you've forgotten any sign-in details, over here you'll be able to find the option for forgotten your sign-in details. Simply click on it and you'll be able to recover them. But if you've already entered the sign-in details, what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Halifax Mortgage account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.